Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, today observed the first death anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee at the State Party office, Chuchampur, Imphal. The function was attended by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Agriculture Minister B. Hankhalian, Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam and other distinguished guests. The 15th death anniversary of martyr Pebam Chittaranjan was observed across Manipur today under the aegis of Manipuri Students Federation MSF. Floral tributes were paid at the memorial site of Chittaranjan located near CI College, Bishnupur district. Floral tributes were also paid to the photograph of Chittaranjan at Bishnupur Bazaar. Pebam Chittaranjan self-immolated on August 15, 2004 and gave his life for the people of Manipur against the draconian Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958. To mark the death anniversary of Chittaranjan, a silent public rally was taken out from Thaudababok Takhilambam Laikai to DM College of Science, Thammoiban, and a public meeting was also held at the college ground. The death anniversary of Pebam Chittaranjan was also observed in Bishnupur district. People paid a rich tribute to the martyr at Konung Lairembi Chingkhong, Bishnupur. Shutdown on road connecting Ngarian and Yaripok Laimanai Thongkhong continues, which started from 14th of this month. As per reports, irate locals also imposed a road blockade as a mark of protest against the concerned government department for allegedly failing to restore the pathetic road condition. The government railway police seized a huge consignment of marijuana ganja worth around Rs 50,000 from Guwahati railway station this morning. As per a report, the apprehended person has been identified as 26-year-old Viraj Kishore Kumar. He was later taken into police custody for interrogation. The Indian Army won the 5th International Army Scout Masters competition held at the military station Jaisalmer. A total 8 teams from India, Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Sudan, Uzbekistan, Armenia and Belarus participated in the competition, which was held from August 6 to August 4. While number 1, Novak Djokovic has a remarkably clear road to the ATP Cincinnati Masters final after producing an efficient victory on Thursday, while third seed Roger Federer crashed out of the US Open tune-up event. Djokovic was never in danger in his 6-3, 6-4 triumph over 53rd ranked Spaniard Pablo Carreno Busta, whom he finished off in 90 minutes. Roger fell in a first-time meeting with Russian Andrei Rublev, who posted a 6-3, 6-4 upset. Defending champion Djokovic will continue his quest in a Friday quarterfinal, taking on Francis Lucas Pouille, a 6-7, 6-4, 6-2 winner over Russian Karen Khazanov.